In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can remove a footer on your website on Editor X. So actually there isn't really a proper way how you can do this, but yeah, there is a workaround. So what you can do, you can go to the page, to the home page or whatever page you want to remove this from, scroll all the way down and basically delete everything right here. So we can go ahead and basically delete all the content on here. So we have the text and we can see here the footer. And we can change the grid layout and it's basically all like that. And as you can see now it's really messed up. Let's get that back. And we can also go ahead and hit delete right here. And basically this will delete the full footer from your website. So as you can see now it is removed. There is still a header. And yeah, that's basically how we can do this. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe and see you next time. Have a good day.